Hi you guys, welcome back. If you're new here, please hit that sub button, and if you enjoy my content today, please remember to leave it a like. So first I'm going to start by showing you guys these acrylic paint pens. Now on the back it says you can use them for a number of different things, and it has some quick instructions, but today we're going to use them for some nail art. Alright, so let's go ahead and look inside. It also comes with 2 cards of instructions. They're the same instructions. I don't know why there's 2 cards, in case you lose one, I guess. Alright, let's look at this pen, you guys. These are double-sided pens. So one side has a finer tip and the other side has a wider tip. So what you do, you start by shaking it up about 20 times, it says, and then you want to go ahead and take the cap of it and push it down on whichever side you want to use to release the air. And it says to push it down about 2 times. And then I'm just going to test it out really fast. You just go ahead and push it down and it will start releasing that acrylic paint. So super easy, very great for detailed work. And so that's why I thought they'd be good for a nail set. Okay, first I'm going to start by using this gorgeous green from Nail Reserve. And we're just going to paint a couple of my nails with this color, you guys. Super cute. Now my first attempts at this design didn't quite work out, but I wanted to leave it in there just to let you guys know when you're trying something out for the first time, it's not going to come out perfect. Just keep trying until you get what you're looking for. So what I decided to do was use the larger tip. So the other side of the pen that has a larger tip, and it was super easy to get that S design for that beginning of a dollar sign, which was perfect. What you guys see me doing is just putting top coat on, so you can put top coat on top of these acrylic pens. I would not use matte top coat because it would just smudge it everywhere. And then I just use that gold pen and just make 2 lines down the center of that S. And you guys, super easy, design right there. Simple. These pens are very easy to use, and I just love the quick and easy design that I was able to get with that. Okay, for this whole set, we're going to have black and green be the base colors of this design. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use this white pen, and we're just going to print out Black Friday. So this is just another example of how useful these pens can be. For me personally, it would be almost impossible to try to make these small letterings with a nail brush. So I was really digging the fact that I could just write something on my nails super easy with a pen. So you guys, you can use these, write whatever you want on your nail. Happy birthday, Merry Christmas, write your name, write whatever you want, you guys. These are very cool. All right, enough of that. So next I'm gonna make a price tag, because how appropriate, right? And how I came up with this design, I just looked online. I just looked up Black Friday and just kind of got some ideas and just went from there. Like, I had no plans before I started making this set, but first thing I thought about was money. So of course, appropriately, I was like, I gotta make some dollar signs. So you guys, I want to give you a quick reminder to hit that like button right now if you enjoy this content. If you're new here, please hit that sub button for me. So in the middle of that price tag, I'm gonna pick this red pen and just put the letter save. Super easy set, you guys. Let me know if you tried these particular pens yet for nail art. I did try some acrylic pens before from nail art, and they didn't really work out that great, but with these, the acrylic just glides out of that pen, you guys. You'll have to push it down on a flat surface at times, but then once you do that, it just comes like pouring out once again perfectly. So these are so far the best I've found, and I will leave the link for these down below if you guys are interested in trying these out. So here's the set so far, you guys, but it being like Black Friday, spending money, I figured we needed something else. So I'm gonna put some bling on here, you guys, of course. All right, and I just thought the bling would just look amazing on top of this black. So I'm just putting some rhinestone gel just on the places that I'm putting the bling, and this process took a while, so we're just gonna go ahead and use the magic of editing and just go ahead and skip. Okay, so there it is. There's that complete one, and I was really digging it, you guys. Let me know if you plan on trying a set like this. I would love to see everyone's creations. If you do, let me know down in the comments if this is something you would try. And you guys, I just love how that bling kind of reflects off of those other nails. It makes me think about lights for sales and just like businesses trying to get your attention to buy buy their product, right? So that's the set, you guys. Let me know what you think of them in the comments. If you're new here, please hit that sub button and please remember to leave this video a like. I will see you guys next time.